Hey yo, internet. Good night, good night. Lightning Gloss Productions back again with another video. I am Irod Telesford, aka Irod Sama, duelist, artist, and the author of an upcoming manga series. Original content, brand new, coming your way soon. Trini Reaper. I'm just back again with another video. It will be the continuation from the last one. How to draw the human head, part 1 of 3. Well, this one will be part 2. Part 1, we spoke about the Loomis Method, and part 2, we'll be talking about the Reilly. So, the Reilly Method starts off very similar to the Loomis. So, we'll just start off that way first. The bowl for the skull. It don't have to be perfect, but try and make it as round as possible. But if it don't come out perfectly wrong, it's fine, don't beat up yourself. From the center, we draw a line going straight down. There we go, just like that. And from the center, a horizontal line. So now what we want to do is divide this top half into thirds. 1, 2, and this will give us our hairline. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. 1, 2, and this will give us our nose line. I feel like this could be a bit higher. I think I could work with that, say, like that. Our nose line, and now we average length from here. Average length of here to find the length going down would be like somewhere like here. So we'll give it this, and this would be our chin line. So now from which part the nose line and the hairline, we make a straight line going up. 1, 2. From the brow line, we just make a little inward curve. You make a jaw, not your jaw, I mean your chin width, however you see fit. And that will be used to construct the shape of a jaw. Like I say, however you want your head and jaw to be shaped is all up to you. Just try and get as even as possible on both sides. And this is how you get the shape. Similar to the Loomis method, but now here is where things get different. So down to the nose line, between the nose line and the brow line, we want to like divide that again into thirds. So that would be 1/3 here, 1/3 here. From the top third, a horizontal line going straight across the front plane of the face. That is your eye line. Down to the bottom, close to the nose line, we'll draw an arc. One that will give you the front plane of the nose, as well also the indication of the little ball at the bottom front, which part it is on the nose would give you that. So now which part the arc ends, we draw in two rounded lines coming out on either side. That would like give you the wings, or which part the nostrils will be. And we draw in a curved line at the bottom that will give it the finished form, basically. From the arc, what we did the first time, we'll be going in and coming out. Same thing on the next side, in, out. From the edge of the nostrils, you would want to like do a vertical line going up. You'll see what that's for in a while. Just be patient. Everything will fall into place. So now, moving on now, from the nostrils, we have from the bottom, divide that into thirds as well too. And from our last third, from on the nose, you'll be doing a circular shape. So that is it on this side, and on this side. And on the jaw, you'll be doing something similar, but you'll be going up to the eye line. That is one, and this is two. Next, we move on to the oval for the chin, where the chin will be protruding. Right like that. Drawing the corners of the mouth. Fun fact to note that the length of the mouth is usually the width of the chin. So if you was to like bring this line down like this, here is where you get your mouth length basically. So this comes across like that. A little bit unbalanced there, but whatever. It's all fine. So let me shrink it down now. We go in to the brow line. We draw in a curve inwards that'll be connected to this line or this arc from the jaw going to the eye line. This will give you the side plane of the face. And on the other side, we'll be doing the exact same thing. So that will be coming in like this. Next, from the mouth, we'll be doing a curved line going out, coming up to the side of the face like that. And of course, naturally on the other side, we'll be doing the exact same thing like that. And now from the edge of the mouth we'll be doing a inward arc going to the edge of the nostrils and out to which part the brow line is located. That will give you the location of the ears. Yeah. See how much different this is compared to the Loomis method? There's a lot more work, but it does give you a whole lot more details though of the placement of what on the face and where it goes. Now the way that you do like your parts, your eyes, your ears, your nose, you don't tell is different from the Loomis method, so we're not going to put much emphasis from what I did in the last video in this. Now we all know that nobody have like perfectly vertical side of the heads or temples, so what we're doing is from this point by the ears we're making an arc that comes out to the top of here like that, and the same thing on the other side. So now from the temple or the hairline, sorry, we're doing a curved line coming down to this point here, which part the curved line from the nose to the ears, well, where the line from the mouth find the ears. On the other side, go down to the line where the mouth go to the nose to find the ears. That will give you the temple. So this edge is where the outer eye will be. And remember the line I tried to do in the earliest from the wing of the nose going vertical up and up. That would be which part the inner eye would be located. So I'm gonna zoom in on this now. We'll be doing one arc, a long arc from one outer eye going across to the other, and we'll be going in and in. What that add one do? Others. No. The top third we'll be dividing that into quarters, so we'll be like getting that in half, and then get those halves in halves. And let me see, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yes, right, there it is, the arc from the inner eye to which part the temple intersects the brow line. So that'll be from here to here. Let me just change the color of the pen so you could see it a little better. Here and here. Back to black. From this point, we do an arc to the lower quarter. And there we get that. And now we'll do an oval from the eye line to the hairline. Then we will do the lips. I'll just do something simple because you really didn't really specify what we're doing for the lips, really and truly. And finally, for the eyes, we'll just want to do a nice little, circle right around the eyes, and that would give us which part our eye sockets will be. So we have that 1 and 2, and that concludes our video. Oh yeah, shucks, a next detail I forget to mention as well too, on the nose, from the flaps, we wanna go inward like that towards this point here, and we'll be doing the same thing on the other side. And that's how we get that portion right there. Alright, and that concludes part 2 in my trilogy of drawing the human head, Reilly Method. If you do like what you see, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also you could even check out my channel for other videos. Anytime being, this is Irod Telesford, aka Irod Sama, signing out, and I'll see you next time where we discuss how I combine the simplicity of the Loomis method and the intricate details of the Reilly to get my own personal method for drawing heads. Until again, see you next time.